reset.
What's up, guys? Tommy here. It's my third flight of the night. As you can tell, sun's already went down pretty much. And I'm just trying to showcase these slime lights I got going on. So it's going to be a pretty quick flight. Just want to see how visible they are at nighttime conditions. All right. So we're pretty good.
Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start.
Taking off.
Time remaining 3 minutes. .55 volts. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer start. .7 volt. Time remaining 2 minutes. Timer stop. Timer start. .38 volts. One minute. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer start. .37 volts.
Do gear pass.
30 seconds. 20 seconds.
All right, coming in for landing.
21.76 volts. 10. Timer stop.
So we do touch and go.
Timer stop. Timer start. Timer expired.
All right, set up for a short landing here.
Timer start. Timer stop. Timer stop.
There it is.
Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop.